fantabulous, I would say. It's mesmerizing, I should say. It's a great feeling. My name is Venkatesh Prasad. I'm a former India cricketer. Commitment is the most important factor to do anything or to create anything. Wow, I mean the volunteers are so committed. The way they've been working together for a cause, I think it's really fabulous, and it's for all, for Akshardham. I think hats off to them. It's important for all of us to contribute and be responsible to bring the youth back and to showcase our culture and the heritage. It's just wonderful to be here and to experience this place. And there's so much of peace here, so much of peace. No matter what's happening outside in the world, but the moment you come to such places, these places, I think that you can find a lot of peace and you can go back with a lot of happiness, I would say.